All right, guys, there's a big storm coming in here, and in Florida manner, we are gonna go drive the BMW in a thunderstorm with the top down because I almost flipped it and the roll bars popped up. The top does not go back up. So, right, Skyler?
Yeah. That means yes and dumbass.
Dude, do the wipers work in this thing? Yes, they do. Very shittily. Oh, it's so cold.
I know.
Good thing we got seat warmers.
Oh, one of these.
We literally have seat. Oh,
shit! On fire.
You're probably what the?
Hey, hold on! I gotta clean the car, bro. All right, we're good. Let's go.
Thanks, man. Where'd the soap go?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Stop it! The wipers are working intermittently. Oh. I can't see anything. The defrost isn't working. Oh, hello. Hydroplaning. Oh, it's so wet. This windshield is fogging up so bad, like no joke. I can't see anything.
I got dibs on driving back.
I don't have a wallet.
I knew it. I knew it. They don't have a wallet.
What do you want?
Hey.
What do you want to drink?
Anything.
Don't say water.
Hey.
Dude, they're not gonna be able to see anything. That's body wash. Look how bad it is. You can't see anything.
I was laughing. He's like, wait a minute, this is body wash.
You can't see anything.
Dumbass.
You know, just you're having a nice lunch at Chick-fil-A and you look out the window.
They're getting so soaked right now.
Oh, that's hard rain. That is hard. That is some hard rain right there. Everything still works. Yeah. Nothing like a Sunday drive in the BMW with the rain.
Hell yeah.
That misfire is definitely worse.
Sounds good.
It's a 5-cylinder now.
Oh yeah.